Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Looker Studio dashboards for SEO performance reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Looker Studio dashboards for SEO performance reporting, start by logging into your Looker Studio account. Click on the Create button to start a new report. From the drop-down menu, select Data Source. Choose a data connector that fits your SEO needs, such as Google Search Console or Google Analytics. Authorize Looker Studio to access your chosen data source by following the prompts. Once authorized, configure your data source settings to reflect your SEO reports. Next, establish metrics and dimensions that you want to track in your dashboard. For SEO, key metrics may include clicks, impressions, click-through rates, and average position. After configuring your data source, click on Add to Report to integrate it into your dashboard. Now, you can start building visualizations. Drag and drop components like tables, graphs, and pie charts onto your report canvas. Customize each visualization by selecting the data fields that align with your reporting goals. Use filters to narrow down your data to specific time ranges, queries, or landing pages. Consider adding a scorecard to summarize critical metrics at a glance. To enhance your dashboard, use calculated fields where necessary to derive additional insights. Ensure your dashboard layout is clean and easy to navigate for better user experience. Once your visualizations are set, review everything for accuracy and clarity. Lastly, share your dashboard with stakeholders, setting the appropriate access levels. By following these steps, you will have a fully functional Looker Studio dashboard for SEO performance reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.